What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing lips and learning how to exfoliate and learning how to mix and match our lipsticks to make our lips look bigger than it looks. So without further ado, just keep watching. So today I'm gonna be showing you two ways of how to exfoliate your lips properly.
Alright guys, with this first step, grab your toothbrush, make sure it is wet, then in circular motion scrub your lips to help get your blood flowing and also get rid of your dry skin.
For exfoliating, we're going to be using brown sugar and honey.
Here are the two simple ingredients I use. You can get them at the nearest grocery stores. I'm using light brown sugar and coconut honey. I don't need to use too much, so pour out just enough to scrub your lips in 2 minutes. With my honey, I pour more than enough to mix it with the brown sugar. Keep pouring more honey until you get this sticky scrub look. Now with the scrub I just made, I take a little bit on my finger and scrub it gently all over my lips. Keep adding more when needed. Try to keep it on your lips for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Just lick it all off when this is done. It actually tastes really good. Hey guys, now we are ready to define our plump lips. Alright, with my bare lips, I take my dark lip liner and start outlining the edges of my bottom lip, leaving out the middle part of my lip. Once I got it done outlining, I start overlining my middle lip down to have that pouty effect. Once you get to the upper lip, do the exact same thing. Make sure you blend down after you outline your lips. With your favorite lipstick, gently start putting it all over your lips in between your lip line. Time for shadowing. Dab a light yellow tone eyeshadow on the middle part of your upper and bottom lips to have the light reflecting effect. With a dark brown eyeshadow, dab on the corners of your lips to make a 3D shadow effect. Make sure you blend to not have bold lines. Now you can see how plump my lips look. Remember, you can always overline as much as you like, but make sure it still looks natural. If you don't like the matte look, you can always add some lip gloss to keep your lips looking moisturized. Alright, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked that tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button down below. To keep you updated on my next videos, click the bell button and also support your girl by subscribing my channel. I love you guys. I hope to see you on my next one.